as you can see, it is silver. It does have kind of some silver glitter all the way around it, but then it's also got kind of these bigger glitter spots. The plug itself can be replaced if something happens and this part of your plug goes bad. You can actually go ahead and order that, and basically it'll just go ahead and twist together. So this one actually will illuminate a design up on the ceiling. So I kind of want to go ahead and actually show that to you when I plug it in so that you can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so the entire fixture is made out of plastic. I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that there are kind of no metal parts whatsoever. And then this actually is all made of plastic as well as the base. But the base itself is super wide, so if you happen to have an extremely thick tree that you're needing to go ahead and actually hang this on, it would work really, really well. So there are also no lights on the front or the back of this. The only place that illuminates is going to be here on the very, very top where it will project onto the ceiling. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it looks almost like it's got snow kind of sprinkling, and then these large snowflakes that are being illuminated onto the ceiling. So when you have this on your Christmas tree, not only will you see the Christmas tree topper on your Christmas tree, but then you will actually have all of this actually illuminating on the top of your ceiling.